Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Explore. In this tutorial, we are going to design this beautiful 3D object. So let's start. From File, select New, then select Part, then click OK. Right click over the top plane and select Normal to. Right click again and select Sketch. Select Circle and draw a circle from the origin. Now select Smart Dimension. This diameter is 100 millimeter. Go to Features and select Extrude. Now reverse the direction, extrude 2 millimeters, then click OK. Now right click over this plane and select normal to, right click again and select sketch. Select circle and draw a circle from the origin point. The radius of this circle is 48 millimeter. Here input 48, then click OK. Now go to features, expand curve and select helix and spiral. As the circle was pre-selected, so Solidworks take it as reference to create this spiral. You may need to select the circle if it was not pre-selected. Here we will take constant pitch 400 millimeter, revolution will be 0.3 and start angle at clockwise 0 degrees and taper helix 20 degree means the spiral will be at 20 degree from its starting point. The taper helix can be inward or outward depending your choice. Here we will take inward, then click OK. So you can see a 3D spiral is created. As the spiral is drawn in 3D space, so we need to select 3D sketch first and then we have to select convert entities. So go to sketch, expand the sketch and then select 3D sketch, then select the spiral and then select convert entities. Now exit the sketch. Right click over the top plane and select normal to, right click again and select sketch. Select circle. Now draw a circle from the start point of the spiral to the outer edge. Now go to features and select sweep boss base. Now select this circle and then select the spiral. So the preview is shown. Then click OK. Now we need to mirror these features so that an opposite directional feature can be created. So select mirror and mirror about the front plane. Expand linear pattern and select circular pattern. Select this edge as direction. Now select the feature and face box and select these two features. So you can see the preview of multiple number of features. Increase to 18 number of pattern each. Then click OK. So the whole object is created. If you want to add some appearance on the object, you have to add the whole spiral object to a same appearance. If you want to add different appearance to the different portion of the spirals, you have to select them separately, which is very complicated. That's why I will edit the circular pattern. Right click on the circular pattern and select edit feature. Now delete one directional spiral so the another one will remain and then click OK. So only one directional spiral is created. Now expand linear component pattern again and select circular pattern. Now select the another directional spiral and then select the edge as direction. Then click OK. Now two groups of circular pattern is created. Right click over the helix and select height. Now select one group of circular pattern and then go to appearance, expand metal, then brush, select polished brush. As the first pattern is out of the circular pattern group, then you have to select this separately. Now similarly select the second group of pattern, then go to appearance, select copper and then select polished copper. Here also you have to select the first feature separately and select appearance to it. Now select the base, select the whole feature and then go to appearance, go to chrome and select chrome plate. Now click on motion study, put the time bar at 3 seconds. Now select the final position of this object. Now put the cursor over the time bar in line with the second key. Right click over the time bar and select place key. Now click on save animation icon. Select MP4 video file as video type. Then select the name. Select photo view 360° if you want rendered animation video. Then select your desired resolution and FPS. Then click on save. The rendered animation is shown at the starting of the video. If you need any help, then let me know in the comment section. That's it for this video. Allah Hafiz.